Next up is our 40 liter, our duffel bag. So different than our backpacks, the duffel bag does not come with internal dividers. The 40 liter is more for someone that wants a bit more versatility, that might want to use it for a travel bag, for clothing, shoes, for a quick trip. But also from a gear standpoint, you can use our Cubik system, which you can learn about more in the other video that goes through all the specs and how it works. But using the Cubik system that does come with internal dividers to put your gear and equipment, it fits perfectly in the 40 liter. So you can transition the Cubik that fits in your hard case into the 40 liter and still really conveniently use camera, drones, any equipment. So really convenient to use for travel every day, being empty. That if you want to be more gear focused, the Cubik is really optimized with our 40 liter duffel bag. If we look at a few highlights, a few specs of the 40 liter duffel bag. Internal mesh pockets for accessories. There's also straps with the clips to either put clothing, as I mentioned, shoes, any type of gear you're traveling with. 3 web handles, so a side handle if you want to really carry it like a duffel. 2 side handles if the load's a little heavier. We also have the option to pull out these shoulder straps. So the bag does transform into a backpack. If you prefer that way of carrying it, especially if you have a heavier load. So really easy to snap on and snap off. Another option for you to carry the duffel bag is with a webbing strap that comes with the bag with these hooks. On your shoulder. So web handles, shoulder straps for backpack, or with the strap here, tons of way for you to carry the 40 liter duffel bag. Convenient for a consumer that's looking for a very versatile bag. So still the option to carry your equipment with the Cubik system, especially going from your hard case to your 40 liter, or for somebody that wants to have also the option of a bag that can be carried every day without any divider system. When it comes to the integration of our Cubik system into the 40 liter, you can either fit one large Cubik or a medium and a small Cubik, or 3 small Cubiks. We have a 13 size Cubik or a 17 size Cubik. The 13 is designed to fit in our 935, and the 17, which is a little higher, fits well in the 938. But both size Cubiks, 13 and 17, will fit in our 40 liter.